Have you ever seen a puppet on strings, dancing to the whims of its controller? If not, just take a look in the mirror and think about it for a moment. There's no shame in admitting that at times, we've all been a puppet to someone else's manipulations. The harsh reality is that each of us is being controlled by someone. And surprisingly, those who control us aren't necessarily powerful like lions, but rather cunning deceivers in sheep's clothing, the average people around us. The interesting twist, though, is that just as a puppet is controlled by its strings, it can break free. Similarly, if we rise above our manipulators, we can turn the tables and control them. The key lies in understanding their dark manipulation techniques, protecting ourselves, and eventually taking control. In the vast jungle that is the world, if you wish to live like a lion, free and fearless, read on. This article will transform you from a helpless puppet to an empowered individual. The nature of manipulators. Think about the declining population of lions in India, now down to merely 674, and compare it with the millions of jackals. This stark contrast illustrates that truly powerful people are few and far between, while the pretenders, the average manipulators, are everywhere. Recognizing these jackals is crucial because they hold the power to ruin your life and the lives of your loved ones. The deceptive controllers. Manipulative individuals can be categorized into three major types: local manipulators, vocal manipulators, and severe manipulators. Each category will be explored further with their unique manipulation tactics and ways to counter them. Local manipulators, the nearby dangers. Local manipulators are those around you who leave no stone unturned in making your life difficult. They include parents, relatives, selfish friends, neighbors, and even toxic partners. Parental manipulation. You might be taken aback to realize that even loving parents use fear-mongering dark psychology techniques. The purpose might be our welfare, but often, this coddling and overprotectiveness can stifle our independence and thrust us into an average life. An early life anecdote of a caterpillar struggling to become a butterfly shows that struggle is necessary for growth. When parents overprotect, they might just be keeping you in a comfort zone that prevents you from trying new and challenging experiences. Relatives, the jealous saboteurs. Relatives, often fueled by jealousy, never miss an opportunity to pull you down. They frequently use a dark manipulation technique called the power of because. By adding an apparently logical reason followed by a pause, they create a facade of trustworthiness, leading you astray. Such relatives mar careers and lives by pushing their own biased advice masked as well-meaning suggestions. To protect yourself, heed only the advice of experienced individuals in the relevant field, and learn from the experiences of both others and yourself. Selfish friends, hidden exploiters. Distinguishing true friends from selfish ones is vital. Selfish friends use forced reciprocity and social proof as manipulation techniques. They remind you of their past favors to coerce you into helping them, or they subtly influence your behavior by proving that, like is good. This toxic cycle can derail your life. To spot such friends and break free, remember, a true lion is solitary. The crowd is for sheep. Strangers and neighbors. Beware the strangers who overly ingratiate themselves or conjoin false familiarity to manipulate you into concessions. Neighbors, too, can subtly undermine your using dark psychology tactics like, slightly wrong, making you feel inadequate through casual but insidious remarks. Toxic partners, masters of love bombing. One of the most treacherous manipulators is a toxic partner. Initially, they overwhelm you with attention and love, only to later withhold it, leaving you yearning and dependent. They exploit the sunk cost fallacy, making you reluctant to leave a relationship due to the time and effort invested. Recognizing the pattern and having the courage to move on is essential to break free. Vocal manipulators, the persuasive influences. Vocal manipulators include creators, celebrities, and corporations. They hold sway over the masses through powerful narratives and targeted influence. Creators, the deceptive influences. Not all creators are sinister, but many use their platform to manipulate for personal gain. They employ confirmation biases, reinforcing only what you want to believe, leading you to narrow-mindedness. To safeguard yourself, follow creators who genuinely add value to your life and encourage growth and learning. Celebrities, the deceptive icons. With their massive influence, celebrities manipulate through the halo effect. By endorsing harmful products like gambling apps and hazardous consumables, they led their followers into destructive habits. The naive adoration blinds many to the detriments these endorsements can cause. Corporations, the clever disguisers. Corporations manipulate through framing effects, showcasing only the alluring aspects of their products to ease your life. They often mislead consumers about the health benefits of products, exploiting authority figures in advertisements to gain trust. Awareness is key. Be informed and analyze ingredients before consumption. Severe manipulators, the dark destroyers. These are the worst manipulators, as their influence extends beyond individuals to families and entire societies. Politicians, masters of divide and rule. Using the age-old, divide and rule, technique, politicians disrupt societal unity. By gerrymandering regions, languages, religions, and castes, they create rifts and exploit these divisions to control and manipulate the public for their gain. The key to overcoming their influence is unity. Refrain from letting societal divisions distract and weaken us. Stand together, communicate, and resist false narratives meant to disrupt social harmony. Conclusion: from puppet to lion. Throughout this discussion, you have learned about varied manipulators, from local to severe, and their dark psychology techniques. By understanding these tactics, you can identify and avoid their traps. Align with those who add genuine value and guidance on your path to growth, leaving behind the puppetry. In the end, remember, the choice is yours, whether to remain prey or to rise and lead as the lion of your own life. Choose wisely, invest in yourself, keep learning, keep growing, and safeguard your life from manipulators' strings.